In today's industry, staying ahead isn't an advantage, it's a necessity. Kempchen-Comdiflex has developed a comprehensive predictive maintenance program based on total control of industrial assets. A system designed to manage and see everything, even what is not yet visible today. Our model is based on three fundamental pillars: the digital twin, advanced data capture, and intelligent predictive maintenance. We create an exact virtual replica of every asset in the plant. Every valve, every gasket, every pipe, every piece of equipment, everything is already there and everything that will be added. Historical and real-time data are integrated to diagnose problems, simulate scenarios, and anticipate failures before they occur. The system continuously collects information through inspections, advanced sensors, and automation. We incorporate state-of-the-art drones capable of capturing RGB images, infrared images, gas analysis, and 3D model reproduction using LiDAR technology. These systems allow thickness measurements in tanks, pipes, and structures without the need for direct intervention and in inaccessible areas. The incorporation of advanced sensors with new applications in any product or equipment in the facility is part of the continuous development that feeds the predictive maintenance program. We integrate all historical data with new static and dynamic data into a single centralized platform. With all of this, and by applying artificial intelligence, reliable predictions and optimized maintenance strategies are generated. We integrate technologies capable of detecting vibrations imperceptible to the human eye. Through video motion magnification, we transform tiny variations into visible, analyzable signals, and we can add this to any other established monitoring technique. The lifespan of a component doesn't depend solely on its technical characteristics. The exact same gasket can behave completely differently depending on actual operating conditions. Working in an installation exposed to humidity, salinity, and thermal changes is not the same as working in a protected, environmentally controlled area. Or, for example, a gasket or expansion joint installed in the northern area of the Petronor refinery in Vizcaya might not hold up the same as the same one installed in Mojave San Roque in Cádiz. The system analyzes these variables to optimize maintenance criteria and anticipate the actual evolution of each asset.
Thanks to data analysis and artificial intelligence, reliable predictions and optimized maintenance strategies are generated.
The result? Fewer shutdowns, fewer risks, more efficiency, and a longer lifespan for equipment. This program has been developed by Grupo Industrial Kempchen-Comdiflex. It's our experience at the service of industry.